So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio Soundbar 5.1 not turning on or working. Power fuse and reset step. Fix 1 is force a hard reset. Unplug the soundbar power cord from the wall outlet, then press and hold the power button on the soundbar for 30 seconds. Leave the soundbar unplugged for 2 full minutes. Plug the sound power cord directly into the wall outlet. Avoid using a surge protector. Then press the power button to test the soundbar. Second fix is trigger a factory reset. Turn the soundbar on, then press and hold the Bluetooth button and volume down button simultaneously. Maintain pressure on both buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. Release the button when the front LED light flashes 3 times. Third fix is match input and cables. Ensure the audio cables is securely connected to the HDMI ARC or optical port on the both TV and soundbar. And press the input button on your Vizio remote, then wait for 5 seconds after each click to check if audio starts playing. Cycle through the input until the LED light match your connection type. Fourth fix is configure TV audio setting. Open the TV setting menu, select audio or sound setting. Change digital audio out from audio, auto or Dolby to PCM or bitstream. Locate CEC setting in the TV menu and switch it to enable or on. Fifth fix is relink the 5.1 subwoofer and rear speaker. Locate the pairing button on the back of the wireless subwoofer and press and hold the pairing button for 5 seconds until the LED light flashes rapidly. Press and hold the power button on the main soundbar for 5 seconds to ensure or enter pairing mode. The light will stop flashing and remain solid once the 5.1 system is connected. Thanks for watching.